Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile public so anyone can access it and see your information, including your friends and other users. To do this, first open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, move your mouse to your username at the top and click on Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page. Next, on the right side of the screen, click the Edit Profile button. You'll be redirected to the Profile Editing page. From the menu on the left, click on Privacy Settings. In the My Profile section, you'll see a drop-down menu with your current privacy settings. In my case, it's set to Private. To make your profile public, simply click on the drop-down menu and select Public. The changes are saved automatically. Now, when you go back to your profile, it will be public, and anyone, not just your friends, will be able to view it. If you want to make your profile private again, just select Private. And if you want only your Steam friends to see your profile and information, choose Friends Only. In my case, I'll leave it set to Public, and that's how you make your Steam profile public. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.